In today's video, I will guide you step by step to help you easily get free Bitcoin. This is beginner friendly and is one of the easiest ways to earn free Bitcoin. So don't you worry if you're new to cryptocurrency and have no budget to invest. You don't need any skills or expertise to try this out. This is absolutely open to anyone on the planet with a phone or computer and an internet connection. If this sounds interesting to you, please give this video a like and make sure to subscribe to my channel. So the first thing you guys need to do is go to a website called 2captcha.com. This is where you'll earn some easy money. So what it is that businesses put up their own websites. And these websites use CAPTCHAs to make sure the people who try to enter the website are real people and not automated services or robots. Now, to make sure these websites cater to real people, they use a CAPTCHA system. What you might not know is that some people are actually willing to pay for CAPTCHA services. If you look at the left-hand side, you will notice it says here that if someone wants to buy CAPTCHA services, they would need to invest $12.50 for 1,000 soft CAPTCHAs. What the guys in 2captcha.com want is for their users to complete those CAPTCHAs, and they're willing to pay for it. The average rate for completing around 1,000 regular CAPTCHAs is $10, while the rate for 1,000 reCAPTCHAs, which are more challenging to complete, is $20. This is actually a very easy way to make some bucks. Now, what I'm going to show to you is how to speed up the process, because we all know time is money, and I want to make sure you make the most of your time. So the second thing you need to do is sign up and make an account. What you need to do is click on Quick Start, and then you will be asked to enter an email. Just type in yours and enter a password, and then retype it. Then down below, you need to complete the CAPTCHA. Make sure the email you enter in the system is correct, because the site will send you a validation link that you would have to click on. Once you're logged into your account, you will be able to see your dashboard and some statistics, but you don't have to focus on that right now. Now, as a brief background, 2captcha.com started out in 2014, and you can go ahead and read some reviews about the site so you can see that this is legit. The guys from 2captcha.com are very active. You can check out their blog section, and there you will see some posts about different stuff. Now, going back on your dashboard, you'll notice that you're logged on as a developer. What you would want to do is select the option Worker. Since you just made your account, you'll see that you have $0. But you don't have to worry because you're about to add some bucks in there in a minute. The next thing you should do is head over to the section here which says Start Work. Click on it and it would redirect you to the training section. What you see here are some sample CAPTCHAs that you need to complete before you get verified and start earning money. Guys, don't worry. These are very easy and take just seconds to complete. I'll show you what you need to do to start earning easy money on this website. So you click on the Start button and you would see a number like this. And type it in here and send it over. Once you've done that, another number will appear. And you just have to input the number that you see like this. This will repeat and you would have to complete 45 different CAPTCHAs. Be careful and make sure you do it correctly, because if you just put wrong random answers, they won't approve you. If you do well and input correct answers, they'll accept you and you can start earning money by completing CAPTCHAs. You just need to be a little patient and very careful to get accepted because they count your mistakes. And those who make a lot of errors too frequently get their accounts suspended. I mentioned earlier that there are actually two types of CAPTCHAs. From what we did, you could see that there are both normal CAPTCHAs and reCAPTCHAs. The reCAPTCHAs are a little harder to complete, but you actually get paid more for those. So if you complete more reCAPTCHAs, you will have more money, but that's completely for you to decide. Lastly, we move on to our third step, which is what we have been waiting for, withdrawing the money earned. What you would want to do is go to the payout section on top of the page. Here you will see some options to withdraw your money. The first option is via WebMoney, where you have a minimum withdrawal of 0.5 US dollars. You can also use Perfect Money, ADV Cash, Uphold.com, Payer, and AirTM. If you have an existing account on either of those platforms, you can use that to withdraw the money you earned. But if you're interested, you can also convert this to Bitcoin. Once you have a minimum of $1 in your wallet, you can withdraw the money or you can send it to your Bitcoin wallet. If you prefer Bitcoin, all you have to do is select the Bitcoin option here and enter your Bitcoin wallet address here. But I'll show you another way to earn extra bucks using this website without completing any CAPTCHA. Although they are fun and easy to complete, they are a bit time consuming. So I'm about to show you a way to earn passive income. If you look closely at the notice above, you will see that you can withdraw funds earned from CAPTCHA solving, referral earnings, and earnings transferred from another account. What I want you to focus on is the referral earnings, which you can take advantage of to passively increase your profits. What you would need to do is go to your dashboard, and there you will see your own unique referral link that you can send to other people. Just think about all of your friends and family that can benefit from this. Once those you refer click on your link and start solving CAPTCHAs to earn money for themselves, you will get a commission as well. So doing this is the best way to increase your profits and earn easy money. So what are you waiting for? Just try it out now. I hope that you received value from this video and hopefully you subscribed, because we will be providing videos weekly on how to make money online.